Hey, would you like to win some free money? Well, all you have to do is subscribe to this channel, hit the like button, share this video, and type a number that will pop up somewhere in this video. Type it down in the comments below. It's going to help you increase your chances of winning the free money once I reach 8,000 subscribers. Now let's get into this video. You have tuned in to AppGrind TV with your boy Reggie P, and I help entrepreneurs make money on autopilot. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can earn PayPal money with Scratch and Win apps. Now, if you're new to my channel, I help entrepreneurs make money online, make money on YouTube, and make money with apps. And for every 1,000 new subscribers I receive, I give away free money. So do yourself a favor and hit that subscribe button. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you won't miss any videos that I drop. And give me a like. It really helps out my channel, and it helps out this video to be seen by more people on YouTube. And drop a comment down below if you have any questions. Any questions at all about what I'm talking about today in this video. Now guys, please watch this video all the way to the very end, because a number is going to pop up somewhere in this video. As soon as you see that number, type it down in the comments below. It's going to help you increase your chances of winning the free money once I reach 8,000 subscribers. Now, without further ado, let me hop over here to my computer and show you this method. Let's grind and let's get it. Okay guys, I'm in the Google Play Store and I pulled up this app, and the name of the app is Lucky Day. So let's just look at the screenshots right quick. So it says here, fun to play, free to download. And this is how it's going to look inside the app. Let's go to the next screenshot. So scratch, match, and win. So you'll be able to scratch, and if you match, then you win. It's very, very simple. Challenge your friends. So you get to challenge your friends in this app to win money. And you can also enter a contest, and all you have to do is just pick numbers and you can win, guys. Now let's just scroll down here and learn a little bit more. So Lucky Day makes winning on daily scratchers, lotto, and raffles fun and exciting. Lucky Day has been downloaded over 40 million times since we started 6 years ago. It's been around for a while, guys. So compete against friends. You can now play against friends and rivals in Trophy Royale. Play your way to be one of the players with the most trophies at the end of the day. Alright, so let's just scroll down here and look at the rating. So out of 5 stars, it's 4.0. Very good app, guys. Anything 4.0 on up is a very good app. I'm not going to read the reviews, guys. If you want to read the reviews, you can go ahead and check it out once you check out this app. I got another app I want to show you, and I don't want to make this video too long. So, to get started scratching and winning on this app, go to Lucky Day in the Google Play Store. Now let me go to the next one. Okay guys, I'm at the next app, and the name of this app is Lucktastic. Win prizes, win rewards, and gift cards. Now let's look at the screenshots. Now, they do have a video. You can check that out once you come to this app. Okay, in the first screenshot, it says over 20 million given away. Play to win instantly, daily cash, and prizes. Collect big tokens daily, redeem for gift cards. So once you collect the tokens, you can redeem them for these type of gift cards like Amazon, Old Navy, Dunkin' Donuts, and also PayPal Cash. Over 10,000 in grabs. Just tap away. So all you're going to do is just be tapping and you'll be able to win 10,000. So the more you play, the more chances you can win, guys. Now let's just scroll down here and read a little bit more. So scratch and win prizes with Lucktastic. Winner play 100% free scratchers for your chance to win real prizes. Pick your scratch off theme, swipe to scratch, and see if you are a lucky winner. And it is 100% free, guys. And you can win gift cards, and you can also see how you can rank. Now let's just look at some of the Lucktastic features. Win cash prizes, real rewards and gift cards. Win prizes like fabulous trips, items for your favorite brands, and more. Sweepstakes offer more chances to win. Daily scratches, all new fun scratch cards, card games daily. Scratch card themes and events. And special contests, 1 million crack code. And also, you want a new car or need to redo your kitchen, enter the 25,000 Living Life contest. And check this out, guys. Scratch cards for Lucktastic have awarded over 10 million prizes to real winners. And check it out. Here are the winners. Here are the recent winners. Justin B. They won the Crack the Safe contest. Janice R. They won groceries for a month. Latasha won gas of the month. Now let's just scroll down here and look at the rating. So out of 5 stars, it's 3.9. So it's not quite 4.0, but it's close enough. So it's still a good app, guys. Now, again, you can come to this app and read the reviews yourself. I didn't want to make this video too long, so that's all I'm going to say about this app. So go ahead and go to Lucktastic, win prizes, real rewards, and gift cards in the Google Play Store. Thank you for watching this video all the way to the very end. Before you click away, don't forget to hit that like button for me and help me to get at least 25 likes. And drop a comment down below if you have any questions about these apps. And please share this all over the internet, because I really want to help everybody I can to make money online and become financially free. And last but not least, please hit that subscribe button and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you won't miss any videos that I drop, because I make videos like this every other day. All right, guys. One thing I want to say before I end this video is, if you guys can donate to this channel, I really would appreciate it. It will help this channel to grow, and it will help me to keep putting up videos for you guys. Now, the way you can donate is clicking on the thanks button underneath this video. As soon as you hit that thanks button, it's going to ask for a small donation. It can be 99 cents or $1 or $2. It doesn't matter. Any amount will help this channel to keep growing. So please, if you can donate, I really would appreciate it. All right, that's it, guys. Thank you for tuning in. Really appreciate it. Let's go roll to 8,000. On that note, get your grind on, because the grind is real. Please go check out these other videos until my next one come out. Peace and have a prosperous day.